If you haven't seen the part 1, please go back and check out the part 1. Welcome to my channel, Wasai Home. I'm going to show you how to build a gaming computer with Ryzen 3900X. This is the case I had originally in the part 1 of the video, but as you can see here, if we go down the specifications, the Intake 900 on the Newegg, it actually doesn't tell you it's a clearance and maximum dimension that the graphic card can be inserted into this case. So you gotta be extra careful. So if you see here, if you come to before we go to this product, if you take a look at the spec here, you can see, scroll down, and you can see the length actually. This is 314.96 millimeters, which is about 0.4 inch longer than the 12 inches. So that's why this is too long. And also the width is about almost 3 slots. So that's also much thicker than regular cards. So now we're going to the old computer, take out all the old components, swap it out and put the new one. Since it's so dusty and dirty, you should better put some mask and also get some wet wipe. Just clean the inside of the case with damp towel now. Super dirty. I wish there's a mini napkin that can work inside this case. Check if this work with the opening the case. Give it a try. Hopefully it just works and then we don't have to find another solution. I think this is the right size. Oh yeah, nice. Okay. One go. Go. Okay, open this up. This is thing called. What is this called? What is this thing? Oh, there's some tape here too. That's interesting. Clean all this shit. Oh, much dust. Take all this thing out. Thoroughly clean and get all this dust. It's crazy. I'm wearing a mask now too. Get all this dust. Don't smell poison gas. I wonder if it's attached on the bottom. This one now, we can install the graphic card. There's no problem now. Awesome. Just as I was so happy I finally put all the products inside the case, the computer actually doesn't boot. Oh my god. And it shows there's a red light that says the CPU is incompatible. So what can I do now? So if you come take a look at the MSI B450 Gaming Plus Max motherboard, if you take a look at the key features, they actually support AM4 and also supports 3rd generation Ryzen. But I don't know why when I bought it from BH Photo, it actually didn't support Ryzen 3900X first, and there was no review. So good thing I was able to follow the guide, which I'll put the link down below. On this other tech enthusiasts, we help people to show them how to update the BIOS through a USB port. That was
had to update the BIOS, so I took out the CPU and then also followed this video and made a USB drive to help with saving the newest BIOS. And we're gonna follow the video and use this button there to trigger the BIOS update progress. Right now we're going to put the USB drive right next to the flash button, BIOS update button, and then we're going to click the BIOS update button.
Please feel free to comment or ask me any questions. I finally got the computer to work, and I'll show you how it performs in the next clip.